Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I'm a second year student of MIT Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and in present I am working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company. And my today's topic is analysis of the role of BCI. BCI means Indian Bar Council. So the Bar Council of India is a statutory body that regulates and represents the advocate. It was established under Section 4 of the Advocate Act 1961. BCI stipulates a standard of professional conduct, etiquette, and also discharges disciplinary jurisdiction over the advocates. It also sets standards for we can say that it also set up the standard for the advocates and the Bar Council of India comes under the Ministry of Law, Justice and Government of India. It is a corporate body and an endless succession and a common seal. Bar Council of India forms and establishes some committees like Education Committee, the Disciplinary Committee, and some other committees like Education Committee, Disciplinary Committee, Executive Committee, Legal Aid Committee, and many more. They were formed to take of some explicit issue that come to the surface once in a while. The BCI was formed after the enforcement of Constitution of India. An annual meeting of the Inter-University Board held in Madras happened and a resolution for the need of all India bar was emphasized so that there remain uniformity in the law examination that were conducted by the different universities. Later, at the Madras Provisional Lawyer Conference 1950, it was suggested that the Government of India should appoint an advisory group to establish All India Bar and change the Bar Council and Act the Bar Council of Madras supported the resolution. The comprehensive bill was introduced in the parliament by Sayyid Muhammad Ahmad Kazmi MP to amend the Indian Bar Council Act. A committee was set up to inquire and suggest the establishment of the All India Bar. The All India Bar Committee, consisting of 7 members and headed by Justice S.R. Das, presented a report with recommended establishing State Bar Council along with the Bar Council at the national level. Thereby, in 1961, the Advocate Act was implemented and passed. Under this act, the BCI was set up with the primary objective to control and administer the working of all immediate subsidiary state level bar council and other than setting out measures of professional conduct and etiquette. Bar Council of India has a function of mentioned this line is mentioned under the section 7 of the Advocates Act 1960. So first, laying professional conduct and code for the advocate. Simple. Second, to lay down the procedure need to be followed by the disciplinary committee and the State Bar Council. To recognize law universities whose degree should be eligible for enrollment as an advocate in the bar, and for this purpose the universities should be visited and inspected. It promotes support law reforms. Fifth, it promotes a legal education, lays down basic standard of education. BCI conducts seminar, organizes legal topic by eminent jurists and publishes journal and paper of legal interest as well as. It also organizes legal aid of the vulnerable strata of the society. BCI manages the fund. The fund collected and utilized to give financial assistance to the poor, disabled, or advocates. It is used for library or legal aid as well. Seventh, BCI conduct election at regular intervals too. Now, we have came to the conclusion that this section does not seek much attention from the jurist because it's only providing the corporate body status to the Bar Council of and the State Bar Council, but it is forgotten consequences and extensional power that comes along with the status. So here the topics end, friends, and I hope that you liked my video and enjoyed the topic the most. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And thank you and have a nice day. And if you have any problem related to the topic, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve your problem. Thank you and have a nice day.